Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we are learning remaining MCQ questions of inverse trigonometric functions theory. So now see here question number 34 what they had asked. The set of value of x if 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square holds is. They are given 4 options dear students. Now they have not asked you to prove. In properties we will prove if you put x is equal to tan theta, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta, sin inverse of sin 2 theta is 2 theta, theta is nothing but tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x, hence proved we will say. But this is not property dear students. They had asked you x value you have to find. How to find the x value? See here. Sin inverse, what is the range of sin inverse dear students? Sin inverse range is minus pi by 2 to what it is plus pi by 2 dear students. This is equal to what now? 2 tan inverse x. I will write instead of that 2 tan inverse x dear students. I hope. How to find the x value I am saying dear student. Sin inverse x range is minus 90 to plus 90 and 2 tan inverse x I am putting here. So divide by 2 everywhere. So what will happen? Dividing by 2 pi by 4 it will become 2 will get cancelled, tan inverse x, and here also it is pi by 4 dear students. If you divide by 2 for this equation, pi by 4 tan inverse x, pi by 4 you will get. So now tan inverse if you take this side, it will become tan of minus pi by 4 and here x, and this is also again if you take this side also it will become tan pi by 4. So our answer will get how much tan of minus pi by 4 is minus 1 dear students and tan pi by 4 is plus 1 dear students. So this can be written like this also dear students. Modulus of x is less than or equal to 1. This meaning and this meaning says same only. So I have to check the options which is correct one. That is there in B dear students. So B is our correct answer. I hope you understood this one. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you are copied. Now let us see the next question dear students. Question number 35. This set of value of x if 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square holds is. So this is the options they are given. Which one you have to pick? We will see dear students. As you know, I will say you dear students, many of the teachers will not teach in the class dear students these type of questions, especially x holds. This is not there in your classes. Max to max 90% teachers will not teach this one. So please see how to solve this one, and if you are not getting you can comment me also. So now see here, cos inverse range. What is the cos inverse range dear students? That is 0 to pi dear students, 0 to pi. So 2 tan inverse x, again I will keep it here. How to find x value? See. So now divide by 2 again. I have to find x value means I have to divide by what? 2 dear students. 0 by 2 is 0. 2 tan inverse x by 2 is tan inverse x. I will not show you dividing 2 here. You have to remember 0 by 2 is 0, 2 tan inverse x by 2 is 2 get cancelled, tan inverse x remains, and here also you have to divide by 2, pi by 2, you can see here. I am dividing whole equation by 2 dear students. So now tan inverse if you take this side, it will become tan of 0 x, tan inverse if you take this side, it will become tan pi by 2. Okay, so tan 0 is how much? Tan 0 is 0 and tan pi by 2 is not defined dear students. That is infinite. So this also can be written as like this. X is what here? Greater than 0. X is greater than or equal to 0 dear students. So where up to infinite it is? Here also you see x is greater than 0 means what? 1, 2, 3 so on up to what? Infinite. This both the meaning says same only. Our option will matches with what? C dear student. C is the correct answer. Fine. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 37. This set of value of x, if 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square holds for x. So x value, please remember in MCQ they may ask, dear students, for theory exam. So remember, even sometimes they may ask for CET also. So please try to understand and solve this. So now see what will happen. Tan inverse x, what is the range of tan inverse? Minus 90. This is not equal because here we will write like this. Tan inverse range is minus 90 to plus 90 open interval. Open interval means we are not including 90 and minus 90, dear students. In between whatever comes no, will include. Open interval andre 19 na hidiyodilla, minus 19 nu hidiyodilla. Idar nadvಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. So similarly, that's why equal sign is not came here. So now what is this? 2 tan inverse x we can write. Very simple. I hope you can solve by yourself now. From Maths Lageraho is helping for you. So if you are understanding something from this channel, dear students, or from this session, so please like and comment me. So because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So this is a humble request from my side, dear students. We are not asking you any money. Just like, because each like will inspire me lot, dear students. So please help me. So now see here. So dividing by 2, that is minus pi by 4 tan inverse x, and this is pi by 4. Fine. So what you have got? So now see here. I have divided by this whole equation by 2. That will be minus pi by 4 tan inverse x pi by 4 we got. Tan inverse, you take this side. Everyone know, I think most probably you have got the answer also. Tan inverse of minus pi by 4, and if you take tan inverse this side, again tan pi by 4. X remains inside only, here only middle. So tan, oh sorry dear student, this is a tan only. So tan inverse, if you take this side, no, tan minus pi by 4. Here if it is, you take this side, tan pi by 4. Tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1 is less than x. X is less than tan pi by 4 is 1, dear students. So now which will be the correct answer? See. So this meaning says what? X belongs to what? We are not including minus 1 open interval. We are not including plus 1. So that is also open interval. Including the modula equal sign idre eed baratta bracket. If it is like this, no equal sign na closed bracket bartittu. So but this is not, equal is not there, open bracket bandide. So open bracket aata hai, equal nahi hai to. So then which option is matching, you see there students? So that is B answer is the correct. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, my dear students. I hope it is clear. So we will go for the next question. So please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. So now question number 38. If sine inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 cos inverse x, then x lie in the interval what? You have to find the x value here. So now see, dear students, very simple question. Now you see what is the, see here 2 cos inverse is this side. So what is the range of sine inverse now? This side you have to see because 2 is here. So what is the sine inverse 2x square root of 1 minus x square? Sine inverse range, everyone know, dear students, it is a closed interval. Closed interval minus 90 to plus 90. See here closed interval is, that means equal sign will come, dear students. Equal sign. Now what is this? 2 cos inverse x, I will write as in middle. So and here it is what? Again less than or equal. Equal sign, why it is came? It is a closed interval. Sine inverse range I am using. So now divide by 2. What we will get? Pi by 4 and cos inverse x. This is also pi by 4. So cos inverse, if you take this side, it will become cos minus pi by 4. And now x. Here cos inverse, if you take this side, again it will become cos pi by 4. Clear? Cos minus pi by 4 is how much? Minus 1 by root 2 is less than or equal to x. The x is less than or equal to cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this is our required answer, dear students. That is matching with A option. A for awesome. Awesome is the correct answer, my dear students. I hope you understood. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 39. If sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x. See how beautifully they are framed. Last question it was cos inverse. Now it is what? Sine inverse. So then x lie in the interval what? Now see, very easy. What is the sine inverse range? That is minus 92. Just now I told minus 92. Now see here 2 sine inverse x is there. Sorry dear students. 2 sine inverse x. Instead of sine inverse I told tan. बड़े बड़े समों में छोटी छोटी गलती होता है. So now see here. ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 sine inverse x less than or equal to pi by 2. So now see here. You divide by 2. Very easy question. Beautiful it is. See the beauty of maths, dear students. So that is pi by 4. Sine inverse, if you take this side, sine minus pi by 4, and this is x is as it is. Here sine pi by 4. So now see, sine inverse I have taken this side. So now sine minus pi by 4 means minus pi by 4 means 45 degree. Don't get confused. Clear? Sine 45 degree is what? 1 by root 2. Sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Minus sign is there, that's why minus 1 by root 42. I mean root 2. So which option is matching? You see that is matching with option again A, dear students. So A for again awesome. Awesome is the answer. We'll see the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 40. The set of value of x if sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube is equal to 3 sine inverse x. So holds is what? So in this, which is the correct option? Most probably I think you have understood the concept. 100% you will solve, I know that. But still those who are not getting for them, I will solve. Sine inverse both sides, of course sine inverse range minus 90 to what? Plus 90 no. So in between what I can write, dear students? I hope you are answering. So that is I can listen. I know that. See, this is a offline class. I know that this is in online class only, but face to face is not that. But I feel that you are answering. मैं सुन सकता हूँ आपका आवाज. So now see here we can write what now? 3 sine inverse x. Of course you are right, dear students. आपका आवाज मेरे को सुनने को आ रहा है, ऐसा ही फील हो रहा है मेरे को. So that's why 3 sine inverse x may assume कर लिए. ನನಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆವಾज ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So that's why I told you it is correct. Fine. So now divide by what? 3, dear students. Divide by 3 minus pi by 6 sine inverse x, and this is pi by 6, dear students. Sine inverse, if you take this side, sine of minus pi by 6 sine of plus pi by 6. Correct? Sine minus pi by 6. Pi by 6 means how much? 30 degree, dear students. Sine 30 is how much? Sine minus 30 is minus 1 by 2. Sine 30 degree. Sine 30 is again what? Here plus it is 1 by 2. So this is our required answer. That is matching with option equal to is no? Option A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is our answer. I hope you are understanding. Please don't forget to like my channel, dear students. So I am requesting you. I am not asking any money. This is totally free of cost, dear students. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. We'll see the next question, dear students. Question number 41. The set of value of x cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x is equal to 3 cos inverse x holds is. So totally this session is on most probably we are finding the x values, dear students. So some questions are there, other also. So now see, max to max questions I am trying to solve, because these questions I am not saying totally lectures will not solve. 90% in the classes wherever I had gone demos, so there I had saw that they had not done this. When I asked the students directly they are solving it. Ah sir, x is equal to cos theta 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that is cos 3 theta. Cos inverse of cos 3 theta is 3 theta. Theta is nothing but 3 cos inverse x. LHS is equal to RHS. But dear students, here they have not asked you this one. Proof of. They are asking you what is the value of x, dear students. So this is the main thing you have to understand. Whatever strikes on mind, don't write. In exam also they will ask like such type of sums in MCQ. That's why you should not feel that difficulty, because that's why we have made a channel that students feel maths is not easy. It is easiest. It is not difficult. It is different. Fine. So now see how easiest it is. I will say you. So now cos inverse range of cos inverse is 0 to pi, dear students. But in this question I will use pi to 0 because the inequality fails here, dear students. If I take pi to 0, inequality means that is not in a proper way. We will get the answer. Why I will say you, see now pi to 0 I will take pi to 0. So this is what 3 cos inverse x. Some questions little bit heavier side it will move. So now see. So divide by 3. So pi by 3 cos inverse x, and this is 0 by 3 is 0 only, dear students. We are dividing the equation by 3. Pi by 3, 3 get cancelled. 0 by 3 is 0 only. Don't say 3. Got it? Cos inverse, if you take this side, cos pi by 3. Why I have written, you will understand, dear students, now. So cos inverse, you take that side, cos 0 you will get. I hope you understood now. So cos pi by 3 means what? Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 is less than or equal to x. X is less than or equal to cos 0, 1. I hope you understood. If I take 0 and pi here, no. 1 is less than x. X is less than or equal to what? 1 is less than or equal to x hota tha. X is less than or equal to 1 by 2. That is not the proper way. So half से ज़्यादा 1 रहता है. Half कितना दौड़ तो 1 ही रहता है. So आद्रिंदा intervals अन्ना change मारी देने. I hope you understood. So which option will matches you see, dear students? Half to 1 is D option. So D for Delhi. Delhi is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 41. The value of cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to. So in this 4 option, which is the correct one, we have to say very simple. Now see, cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. So this is that. So dear students, cot of, so what I can write here, see, we know property what tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, dear students, is how much you know. Property is done in the classes, I think. So even I also proved in 2 marks or 3 marks inverse trigonometric questions. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is what? Pi by 2, dear students. So by changing the variable, our formula will not get changed. Now this variable change the formula change agodilla. So now what it is here, tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, both are same. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is how much? Pi by 2. What is cot pi by 2? Cot pi by 2 is what? 0, dear students. So our option is what? A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is our answer. So we'll go for the next question. आपने दबाया कि नहीं देखो. So please like the button ना. Don't forget. Huh? Yes. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 42. Sine of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to. So in this, which is the correct option, you have to say. So now see here, dear students. Again same. One of the properties there again. Sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse. Actually property number 4 this is. In exercise 2.2 when we are solving inverse trigonometry. Sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Even before also I have written tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. That's also there in property number 4 only. All 3 are there. One more will come, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. So now see, this is again same. So now what you can say? Sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is what? Pi by 2. I can write sin 90. Pi by 2 means 90. Sin 90 is 1, dear students. Option D, D for Delhi is the correct answer. So I hope it is clear. We will go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Write the range of f of x sin inverse f of x is equal to sin inverse x in 0 to 2 pi. 2 pi means 360. So other than minus 90 to plus 90, sin inverse range we know that only one, no? So in the classes minus 90 to plus 90. So then what is the other then? You see the diagram of sin inverse x will go on like that. Better you will understand this diagram. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 90 is how much? 90. That is 1, dear students. Sin 90 is 1 here. So sin pi. Sin pi is what? So that is also 0. 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, n pi is what? 0 only, dear students. Sin pi. Teri pi, meri pi, iska pi, uska pi, sabka pi 0 hota hai. So now see. 270 you can say. Next 180 plus 90 is 270. 270 value is what, dear students, you know? So that is minus 1, dear students. And 2 pi means 0. So graph if you join it looks like this. So up to 360 only they are told. 0 to 360. Other than that our answer should have come out minus 1 to plus 1, dear students. Minus 1 to plus 1. Which is the answer it is giving? Because our sign when we will put the range, no, our domain is what for this? Minus 1 to 1. See, domain of sin inverse x, domain is what? Minus 1 to plus 1. And range is what? Minus 90 to plus 90. This is the range I am saying. Range. Fine? Oh, I mean flashing is going. Wait, dear students, I will write below. So some of you are not seeing properly. I'm sorry for that because problem is there with me. So now minus 90 to plus 90. Clear? This is the range. So I have to get minus 1 to 1. So when I put this values, I mean minus 90 and plus 90. So plus 90 and minus 90 other than you have to write. Which is giving here 90 you see. 1 it is giving and 270 is giving minus 1. This is the what our answer, dear students. Minus 1 to 1. No other values are giving. So now our option is what? 90 is included. This is included. And 270 is also included. Minus 1 also is required. So that's why including means what? Closed interval. Otherwise आप नहीं लेते बोले तो ऐसा आता है. So but we want this up. We want means closed bracket will come. Got it? So our option is what? A, dear students. Please remember this diagram, very very important. So even it is going to help you in CET also. It is continued actually like this. Maybe like waves it will come. In physics also you will see, dear students, this one. So I think so. So now I hope you understood this. So we'll see the next question. Please copy this answer. We'll continue it. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 44. Write the range of f of x is equal to cos inverse x other than 0 to pi. So again we will draw the graph of what cos inverse cos x, dear students. So now see how it is going. Cos 0 is what? 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 will come here. So cos 3 pi by 2, that is nothing but 270 is 0 again. Cos 2 pi is 1, dear students. So the diagram, once if you understand it will move like this. So now the main important is what? Other than 0 to pi you have to say. My answer should have to come from what? 0 to 1 to minus 1 is our domain. Yes sir. We have to get actually cos का range होता है. So inverse I am speaking now. So now see here. So which will give minus 1 to 1? In which angle it is there, you see. So now cos inverse, which angle it will give, you see. This is that pi and this is what? 2 pi. Is giving same answer or not, you see. 0 to pi is giving 1 to minus 1. Correct? This is a 1 to minus 1. 0 to pi is giving. Then pi to 2 pi is also giving minus 1 to 1 or not. So then this is other than what? 0 to pi. So which is there? Pi to 2 pi. That is option A only matches, dear students. So option A for awesome. I hope you are understanding. Nodri minus 1 to 1 ಯಾವುದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ 0 to pi ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರ್ ದನ್ 0 to pi ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ minus 1 to 1 ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 182 pi to ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 pi is giving minus 1 to 1 or not. So then this is our answer, dear students. वो क्या बोल रहा है minus 1 to 1 कौन सा दे रहा है 0 से pi तो ये रेगुलर था. Other than that we have to write. That's why I am saying, dear students. So other than उसको छोड़कर pi भी minus 1 दे रहा है 2 pi 1 दे रहा है. मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ है ना सेम ही है वो आंसर. So that's why our option is what matching with A. A for awesome. We will go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. 45. What is the reflection of the graph of the function y is equal to sin x along the line y is equal to x? So now, dear students, you know very well about the diagram of sine. Sine y is equal to x. We will draw, dear students. Wait, let's cross a little bit. So y is equal to x. If you draw, that is a straight line. You will get like this. This is a straight line. What you will get? Y is equal to x. So now sin x graph is what? Sin x, just now I have shown you. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 90 is what? 1. So 1 means here it will come on this point. So sin minus 90 is what? This is minus 90, you think. This is plus 90 we got. Sin 90 is 1. This is 1, dear students. Sin minus 90 is minus 1. Here the point is there, you think. So if I join them, sin is going like this. Yes. And it is coming like this. This is what? Sin x graph. This is nothing but sin x graph. Sin x ka graph. Like this it is there. No, yes, shape it is showing. So this is sin x. So reflection means what? Image. Its image is what now? They are asking image is nothing but what? Inverse of the function, dear students. Here, in this case, inverse I will find, you know, in 1 and onto function. Invertible functions will do, no? Invertible functions will do or not? Invertible. Will you agree? Some function they will give you. F of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Show that it is a 1 and onto, or show that it is a invertible. So invertible means what? X value is only invertible, we will say. Finding the x value. Here also you find the x value. So now x value is what? Sine, if you take this side, x is equal to what? Sine inverse y or not? Yes. And inverse I will find f inverse. You know everyone, y is equal to f of x you will write. Yes sir. F you take this side, f inverse of y is equal to what? X sir. What is x, dear students? X is nothing but what? Sine inverse y or not? So or I will replace y by x, dear students. F inverse of x is what? Sine inverse x, dear students. Sine inverse x. So this is what? Reflection. So sine ka reflection is what? Sine inverse x. Sine inverse x graph, you know, it will come like this. Sine inverse pi by 2 is how much? 1, dear students. Pi by 2 if you put, it is 1. So it will come like this reflection. See the mirror image. This is called as what? Sine inverse x, dear students. So mirror image, it will come like this. Can you see this? This is the sine inverse x image or graph. So sine का reflection आता है इसके ऊपर. So this is why we will say the reflection of the graph of the function y is equal to sin x on the line y is equal to x. This straight line is nothing but y is equal to x. y is equal to x, dear students, this straight line. Understood? So this reflection is coming on this and our answer is matching with option A, dear students. F inverse x is equal to what? Sin inverse x. This is only the reflection of y is equal to sin x, dear students. I hope it is clear. We will see the next question. So please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. So question number 46. Find the principal value of tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. So now maximum, dear students, you will write like this. I have seen many of them. Tan inverse of tan x is what? X only. So our answer is what? 3 pi by 4. C is the correct answer and you will get directly 0 marks, dear students. And I am not ready to give you 0. So because you are my students will never get 0 marks. I know that. So that's why I will help you. This is not the correct answer, dear students. 3 pi by 4. Don't write like that. Why it is not correct? First of all, tan inverse x range, you know, range, it belongs to open interval minus 90 to plus 90. Tan inverse x range is minus 90 to plus 90. Minus 90 ರಿಂದ plus 90 ವರೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And that is also what? Open interval. It is not including 90 also. So now 3 pi by 5 is there, no? Pi by 5. Pi by 5 means what? 36. 36 into 3 is 108 you will get, dear students. 108. 108 is not there in this range of tan inverse. That's why this doesn't belong to what? Minus 90 to plus 90. Range थोड़ा बरोदा है 108. Minus 90 दिन तो plus 90 वाला बरोदा है वो आता ही नहीं है 108. इसीलिए आंसर नहीं होता हमारा. So then how to bring in our answer? See here, tan inverse. I can write like this. 5 manja 5 minus 2 is 3 pi by 5, dear students. See here, 5 into pi, 5 pi minus 2, 3 pi by 5, dear students. So now it is looking like how you know inside this bracket is there, no? Tan pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta means you know this after school to college. After school to college, I had told you this. Here all the functions are, all trigonometric functions are positive, and here sine and cosec, here tan and cot, here cos and sec, dear students, fourth quadrant. So 180 minus theta means 180 minus theta will come in second quadrant. In this quadrant it will come second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is positive or what? No, negative it is, because sine or cosec are positive, tan is negative in second quadrant. So negative means I will write minus. 180 means no change. No change means tan remains tan only. If it is change means what, sir? Tan will become cot. So here 180 means no change. Correct? That is theta you have to write. So minus tan theta you will get. Tan inverse of C. Tan inverse of pi minus theta is what? Tan of pi minus theta is minus tan theta. Tan of pi minus theta is what? Minus tan theta. Theta is 2 pi by 5. Minus tan 2 pi by 5, dear students. Understood? Theta is 2 pi by 5, dear students. So tan inverse of minus x. Tan inverse of minus x. This is also property minus tan inverse x, dear students. So in a place of x, what it is? Tan 2 pi by 5. Tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. I can write tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse x. Minus I will take tan inverse x I will write. X is what? Tan 2 pi by 5. Minus C. Minus I will write as is. Tan inverse of tan x. Tan inverse of tan x is what? X only x is what? 2 pi by 5. So now you see. Pi by 5 means how much? 36. 36 into 2. 72. Minus 72 will come in this or not? Range. Minus 72 will come in this range. So then our answer is minus 2 pi by 5 is the correct. That is what? B for bingo, dear students. I hope it is clear. So you please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. So let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 47. If tan inverse x is equal to pi by 10, x belongs to real number, find the value of cot inverse x. So now these are the options they are given. See here. Very simple, dear students. Maximum students will get confused how to begin. Yes, very simple it is. Now see. Do you remember this? Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Just now I have told you pi by 2, no? Easily you can find this. We know this one. We know that. WKT means what? We know that. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is what? Pi by 2. This is very interesting question. Lovable question. So now see. Tan inverse x is how much? Pi by 10. Pi by 10 plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Plus pi by 10 you take that side. Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 10. So now you take the cross multiplication or LCM. So now 10 into pi, directly I will not take LCM. 10 into pi is 10 pi. I am multiplying for this. 2 into minus pi minus 2 pi. 2 into 10, 20, dear students. Clear? So how much you will get, you see. So 10 minus 2, that is 8 pi divided by 20. So now see, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 2 pi by 5 is the our required answer. Option is matching with A, dear students. A for awesome. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. So now 48 question number. If sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then the value of x is what? Very simple. Sine, I will take this side, right hand side. See what is remaining now? Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1, dear students. Sine is the no, sin. Sin, sine I am taking this side, RHS. It will become sine inverse 1, dear students. So now see, sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 when it will become, that is pi by 2. Sine inverse 1 andre pi by 2 iska matlab. So now see, there are several methods to follow this. Both the methods I will say. So now see here, what will happen? Okay, I will write like this only. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 means, dear students, you see, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is nothing but what? Pi by 2 property. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is what? Pi by 2. So pi by 2 means what? I can write sine inverse x plus cos inverse x I can write. So cos inverse x get cancelled. So we are remaining with sine inverse of 1 by 5 sine inverse x, dear students. Sine inverse, if I take on LHS sine inverse, it will become sine of sine inverse x. Sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 is equal to x, I can write. Sine of sine inverse x. Do you remember this also? Sine of sine inverse x is what? X only, dear students. Sine of sine inverse x. X value is how much? 1 by 5. So x value is 1 by 5 means x is equal to 1 by 5 is our answer. Our answer is matching with B, dear students. B for bingo. This is one method. Another method is what? Some of the teachers may solve like this also. I will show the both the methods. Sine inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1. How we will write? That is pi by 2. I can write. Yes. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is a pi by 2. So now see, sine inverse 1 by 5, because both the methods I can say. You should not feel that maths Lageraho has not taught this one. So this is for students only, for the students, by the students, to the students. Everything, democracy is there here. So now see, sin inverse 1 by 5 is equal to pi by 2 plus cos inverse x, you take this side, minus cos inverse x. So now sin inverse 1 by 5 is equal to, now see, cos, see what will happen, cos inverse x, if you take that side, sin inverse x is equal to what, it will become pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is what? Sin inverse x only, no? Yes or no? So sin inverse, if you take this side, it will become sin inverse 1 by 5 is equal to x. Sin inverse of sin x is what? X only, that is 1 by 5 is equal to x. So this is also their method, dear students. So which you like, you can apply. Our answers will come both same only. These are the formulas below what I have written. So I hope you have understood something from this session. So if you are understanding something, ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, प्लीज़ लाइक माई चैनल एंड कमेंट मी इफ़ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो आपको थोड़ा तो इससे क्या तो थोड़ा समझ में आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक माई चैनल डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड कमेंट मी. फाइन. सो विल मीट यू इन माई नेक्स्ट क्लास. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. बाय.